In the last lecture we see the maxima and minima using first derivative test. Okay, we see the local maxima and local minima by using first derivative test. Now in this lecture we see the second derivative test. First we see the working rule of the second derivative test. Here at y is equal to f of x, we have function, then working rule of the function, then first step, find derivative of the function, that is f dash of x, differentiate with respect to x. Then second step, take f dash of x equal to 0 to find the turning points. Okay, that is the values of x are the turning points are x1, x2, x3, like that. Okay, x1, x2, x3 are the turning point. Then third step, here find f double dash, that is second derivative of the function. Then put all the extreme points, that is the stationary points, that is x1, x2, x3 in double derivative, that is f double dash of x1, then f double dash of x2, f double dash of x3. It is जितक्या व्हॅल्यू असतील तितक्या व्हॅल्यू याच्यात ठेवून द्या. Here find f double dash of x1, f double dash of x2, and like that. Here if f double dash of x1 is less than 0, here if f double dash of x1 is less than 0, then f of x is maximum at x is equal to x1, and if f double dash of x1 is greater than 0, then f of x is minimum at x is equal to x1. Okay, here x equal to x1, x2 are the stationary points or the turning points. We find the values of x1, x2 by taking f dash of x equal to 0. First find f dash of x, then take f dash of x equal to 0, then x is equal to the values of x, that is turning points, x1, x2, x3. क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन असली तर दोन व्हॅल्यू मिळतील, क्यूब असले तीन, लिनियर इक्वेशन आली तर फक्त एकच व्हॅल्यू मिळेल. देन फाइंड f double dash, that is second order derivative, and then put the all stationary point in the second derivative. Okay, therefore f double dash of x1, x equal to x1, x equal to x2, x equal to x3, like that. If f double dash of x1 is less than 0, then it is maximum, and if f double dash of x1 is greater than 0, then it is a minimum value at x is equal to x1. म्हणजे एका पॉइंटवर एक तर मॅक्झिमम येईल नाही तर मिनिमम, दोन्हीपैकी एक, या दोन्हीपैकी कोणती तरी एक कंडिशन येईल. इट इज मॅक्झिमम आलं तर x2 वर मिनिमम येईल, याच्यावर मिनिमम आलं तर x1 वर मॅक्झिमम, किंवा एखाद्या बाय चान्स एखादी केस दोन्ही पॉईंटवर मॅक्झिमम असत किंवा दोन्ही पॉईंटवर मिनिमम येईल, दॅट इज लोकल मॅक्झिमम ऑर लोकल मिनिमा. ओके, मग त्याच्यातून हायेस्ट जे असेल दॅट इज द ॲब्सोल्यूट मॅक्झिमा. एका पॉईंटवर मॅक्झिमम, एका पॉईंटवर मिनिमम. ओके, लेस दॅन 0 आलं तर मॅक्झिमम, ग्रेटर दॅन 0 आलं तर मिनिमम. मग एका पॉईंटवर मॅक्झिमम, एका पॉईंटवर मिनिमम, एखाद्या वेळेस दोन्ही पॉईंटवर मिनिमम येईल, दोन्ही पॉईंटवर मिनिमम येऊ शकते, दोन्ही पॉईंटवर मॅक्झिमम. ओके, मग त्याच्यातून जर ॲब्सोल्यूट मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू किंवा ॲब्सोल्यूट मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढा म्हणलं तर त्याच्यातली हायेस्ट जी आहे ती घ्यायची. देन ह्या दोन्ही केसेस नाही आल्या, डायरेक्ट एक्झॅक्टली इक्वल 0 झालं तर दॅट इज द फेल द सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट. ओके, एक्झॅक्टली 0 नाही, एक तर लेस दॅन 0 maximum and greater than 0 it is a minimum. Okay, now we see the examples. Find the maximum and minimum values of following functions. Here first f of x is equal to, it is 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x minus 20. Okay, here given function f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 21x square plus 36x and minus 20. It is a given function, given f of x. Then first find f dash of x. Therefore differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore it is f dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 42x and plus it is 36. Okay, to find the stationary point or turning point, to find the stationary point, put f dash of x is equal to 0 here for the turning points. Put f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore 6x square minus 42x plus 36 is equal to 0. या सगळ्याच्यातून 6 कॉमन निघते. देन x square minus 7x and plus 6 is equal to 0. Then take the factor, multiplication 6, addition minus 7, that is x minus 1 and x minus 6. Multiplication plus 6 and addition minus 7. Therefore x minus 1 equal to 0 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 6 are the stationary point, that is the turning points. Okay, now first step f double dash, sorry, it is f dash of x. Then second, find the values of x. Take f dash of x is equal to 0. Then third step, find double derivative, that is now f double dash of x. F double dash of x is, it is f dash of x 12x minus 42. Okay, it is the third step. Take f double dash of x. Now put the stationary points in double derivative. Okay, fourth step, put stationary point in the double derivative. If f double dash of x1 or f double dash of x2 is less than 0, then it is maximum, and greater than 0 it is a minimum. Therefore f double dash of x is equal to 1 is equal to 12 into 1 minus 42, it is minus 30. Okay, and it is less than 0, and f double dash of 1 is less than 0. Therefore f of x is maximum at x is equal to 1. F of x is maximum at x is equal to 1, and then maximum value when put in f of x is equal to 1, we get the maximum value. Okay, here आता हे झालं तुमचं फक्त f of 1 ठेवलेलं आहे. इट इज f double dash of 1, x is equal to 1. नाउ पुट x is equal to 6. दुसरी व्हॅल्यू ठेवा. इट इज लेस दॅन 0 आलं, दुसरं ग्रेटर दॅन 0 आलं. ग्रेटर दॅन 0 म्हणजे मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू येईल. ओके, फक्त ह्या एवढ्या स्टेप लक्षात राहू द्या. ओके, f double dash, f dash, then take f dash of x equal to 0 to find the values of x, then f double dash and put the all values of x in double derivative, and then this value is negative, it is a maximum, and if this value is positive, then it is a minimum. Okay, here now it is maximum value and minimum value. Here put second, it is x is equal to 6, and f double dash of 6 is equal to f double dash, it is 12 into 6 minus 42, it is 72 minus 42, it is plus 30, which is greater than 0. Okay, therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to 6. Okay, म्हणजेच at x is equal to 1 f of x is maximum and at x is equal to 6 f of x is a minimum. Now we find the maximum and minimum value of the f of x. Therefore the maximum value of f of x at x is equal to 1 is maximum value at x is equal to 1. Therefore f of 1 is equal to, it is f of x, f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube minus 21 into 1 square plus 36 into 1 and minus 20. Okay, now calculate. It is 2, it is minus 21 plus 36 and minus 20. Then it is 2 plus 36, it is 38, minus 21 minus 2, it is minus 41. Therefore f of 1 is minus 3. It is a maximum value. Okay, here maximum value at x is equal to 1. Okay, repeat लिहायची गरज नाही, आपण हे इथे लिहिलेलंच आहे. Okay, and the minimum value of f of x at x is equal to 6 is minimum value. Okay, therefore f of 6 is equal to 2 into 6 cube minus 21 into 6 square plus 36 into 6 and minus 20. Okay, now calculate. It is 6 cube 216, 216 into 2, 216 into 2, it is 432. Okay, minus 36 into 21. Okay, 36 into 1, it is 36, carry 3, 36 into 2, 72 and 3, it is 75. It is again 216 and minus 20. Okay, then it is 432 plus 216, it is 8, addition करायला फक्त 8 4 6 minus या दोन्हीचे addition 7 7 6 and therefore f of 6 is equal to, it is 776 minus this 16 minus 8 8, it is 6 minus 2 and it is 1, it is minus and is minimum value at x is equal to 6. Therefore maximum value of f of x is minus 3 and minimum value of f of x is minus 128. Okay, here it is maximum and it is minimum value. आता फक्त वर्किंग रूल लक्षात राहू द्या. गिवन फंक्शन f of x, then find f dash of x, then f dash of x equal to 0 to find the values of x, to find the values of x, then find f double dash, f dash, it is f double dash, then put the values of x in double derivative or the double derivative. Then when f double dash of 1 is negative, then it is a maximum. When f double dash of 6 is it is positive, then it is a minimum, then it is a maximum value and it is minimum value of the function. Okay, now next example. F of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. Same example. Okay. Same example here, given that f of x is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. Okay, now find first derivative. It is differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 18x plus 24. Okay, then for finding the turning point, to find turning point, take f dash of x is equal to 0. Therefore 3x square minus 18x plus 24 is equal to 0. पुन्हा याच्यातून 3 कॉमन निघते. इट इज x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then take the factors. X minus 2 and it is x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4 are the stationary points. X is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. Then now we find f double dash. F dash, it is this 6x minus 18. Then put the values. F double dash of 2, it is 6 into 2 minus 18. 6 into 2 minus 18 is 12 minus 18 minus 6, which is less than 0. Therefore f of x is maximum at x is equal to 2. F of x is maximum at x is equal to 2. Okay, then and f double dash of 4, it is 6 into 4 minus 18, it is plus 6, which is greater than 0. Therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to 4. Now we find the maximum and minimum value. Maximum value at x is equal to 2, maximum value of f of x at x is equal to 2, and minimum value of f of x at x is equal to 4. Okay, therefore maximum value of f of x at x is equal to 2. Therefore f of 2 is equal to 2 cube minus 9 into 2 square plus 24 into 2. Now calculate. It is 8 minus 4 into 9, 36, and plus 48. Therefore f of 2, it is here minus 36 plus 48, it is 12, means it is 20. It is the maximum value. Okay. Now minimum, and minimum value of f of x at x is equal to 4. F of 4 is equal to 4 cube minus 9 into 4 square plus 24 into 4. Okay. Now it is 64. Then it is 16 in 16 minus 9, 16 into minus 9, it is minus 144, and plus it is 96. Then f of 4 is equal to, it is 96, it is 16. Okay. 96 plus it is 160, it is 16. It is a minimum value. ओके, या फक्त तुमचं सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्टचा वर्किंग रूल लक्षात राहू द्या. एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स, फर्स्ट गिवन फंक्शन इट इज एफ ऑफ एक्स, देन एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स, टेक एफ डॅश ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू 0 to find the values of x, that is x1, x2, etc. Then find f double dash and then put the values of x in f double dash, that is f double dash of x1 or f double dash of x2. F double dash of x1 is greater than 0, then it is a minimum. F double dash of x is less than 0, then it is a maximum. And then maximum value at point and minimum value at point. Okay. Now next example. Next, f of x is equal to x square plus 16 upon x square. It is a function. Given that f of x is equal to x square plus 16 by x square. Now find the derivative. Therefore, for derivative f of x is equal to, we can write, okay, f of x is equal to x square plus 16 into x to the power minus 2. Direct derivative काढला तरी चालते, composite function ने काढलं लागलं. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 2x plus 16 into minus 2x to the power minus 3. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 32 upon x cube. Okay, it is a f dash of x. Now take f dash of x is equal to 0 to find the stationary points. Therefore, 2x minus 32 upon x cube is equal to 0. Then calculate. It is 2x to the power 4 minus 32 is equal to 0. Okay. Then x to the power 4 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, x to the power 4 is equal to 16. And therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 2 are the stationary point. It is x is equal to plus or minus 2. Now, we find the double derivative. Okay. Now, f double dash of x is equal to, now f double dash, it is f dash 2x, it is 2. It is minus 32 into minus 3 into x to the power minus 4. Derivative is by minus 32 as it is, and x to the power minus 3 is a derivative. Therefore, f double dash of x is equal to 2 plus, it is 32 into minus 3, it is 96 upon x to the power 4. It is f double dash of x. F double dash of x. Now put the values of x plus 2 and minus 2. Therefore, f double dash of 2, it is 2 plus 96 upon 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 4 it is positive, then it is positive greater than 0. Therefore, f of x is minimum at x is equal to 2, and f double dash of x, that is f double dash of minus 2, 2 plus 96 upon minus 2 to the power 4. Minus 2 to the power 4, again it is positive, therefore this is positive greater than 0. And then f of x is minimum at x is equal to minus 2. म्हणजे दोन्ही पॉइंटवर काय आले मिनिमम. therefore f of x is equal to minimum at x is equal to plus or minus 2. therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to plus or minus 2, and minimum value is f of plus or minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 2 whole square plus 16 upon plus or minus 2 whole square. It is 4. It is 4. 16 divided by 4 means 4. 4 plus 4, it is 8. Therefore, minimum value of the function is 8 at point x is equal to plus or minus 2. म्हणजे इथं दोन्ही पॉईंटवर काय या फंक्शनसाठी मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू आली, याच्यात मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू नाहीच. ओके, नाव सेकंड एक्झाम्पल. f of x is equal to x into log x. Okay, here given f of x is equal to x into log x. Okay, here it is a given function f of x is equal to x into log x, then f dash of x. Here f dash of x is using u into v, derivative of u into v. Okay, here therefore f dash of x is equal to first function as it is derivative of second plus second as it is derivative of first. Therefore f dash of x is equal to 1 plus log x. Now take f dash of x equal to 0. Therefore 1 plus log x is equal to 0. Therefore log x is equal to minus 1, and minus 1 means minus log e, and therefore log x is equal to, it is log of 1 by e minus log e, it is log 1 by e, and then x is equal to 1 by e. आता इथे एकच पॉईंट मिळाला, x is equal to काय 1 by e. मागच्या याच्यात आपल्याला दोन पॉईंट होते x च्या दोन व्हॅल्यू. आता x is equal to 1 पॉईंट, आता याच्या फक्त मॅक्झिमम येईल नाही तर मिनिमम, दोन्हीपैकी एकच. देन मागच्या याच्यात 2 पॉईंट आले तर दोन्हीवर एकावर मॅक्झिमम एकावर मिनिमम किंवा दोन्हीवरही मिनिमम. ओके, आता इथे एकच आहे, याच्यावर एक तर मॅक्झिमम येईल नाही तर मिनिमम. देन फाइंड f डबल डॅश. इथे इज f डॅश ऑफ x, देन वी फाइंड f डबल डॅश. नाउ f double dash of x, f double dash of x, it is 1 by x. 1 चा derivative 0, log x चा derivative 1 by x. Now put the value of x in f double dash. Therefore f double dash of 1 by e, and then it is 1 upon 1 by e, that is e, and e is a greater than 0. Therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to 1 by e, and minimum value of f of x is f of 1 by e is equal to 1 by e into log 1 by e, and log 1 by e, 1 by e into minus log e, it is minus 1, and therefore minus 1 by e is minimum value. Minimum value of f of x at x is equal to 1 by e. F of x is minimum at 1 by e, and minimum value is minus 1 by e. Okay, now we see one more example. Here x upon log x, f of x is equal to x upon log x, log x upon x, log x upon x. Okay, here given f of x is equal to log x upon x. Now we find the derivative by using u by v. Therefore f dash of x is equal to phi into derivative of u minus u into derivative of phi and upon phi square. Okay. Therefore f dash of x is equal to 1 minus log x upon x square. Okay. Then to find the turning point, take f dash of x equal to 0. Therefore 1 minus log x upon x square is equal to 0. Here x is not equal to 0 because it is log x. Okay. Here 1 minus log x is equal to 0. Log x is equal to 1 and that is log e, and therefore x is equal to e. It is the value of x. Now we find the second derivative. It is f of x. It is f of x and it is f dash of x. Now we find the second derivative of this function. Again we use u by phi. Now f double dash of x, here it is u and it is phi. It is x square into derivative of this term, it is minus 1 by x, minus 1 minus log x into derivative of this, it is 2x and upon x square of square. Now calculate, it is minus x and then minus 2x plus 2x into log x multiplication and upon x to the power 4. Then it is minus 3x plus 2x log x upon x to the power 4. Therefore f double dash of x is equal to x कॉमन काढा किंवा मायनस एक्स कॉमन काढा. मायनस एक्स कॉमन काढलं तर काय राहते 3 minus 2 into log x upon x cube and that is minus 3 minus 2 log x upon x cube. It is the second order derivative. Then put the value of x in double derivative. It is x is equal to e. Therefore f double dash of e is equal to minus 3 minus 2 into log e upon e cube. Here log e it is 1, therefore 3 minus 2 it is 1 minus 1 upon e cube, minus 1 upon e cube, and which is less than 0. Therefore f of x is maximum at x is equal to e, maximum at x is equal to e, and maximum value is f of e, it is log e upon e, and that is 1 by e. Okay. Here f of x is maximum at x is equal to e and maximum value of f of e is 1 by e. That means maximum value of the function f of x is 1 by e at x is equal to e. Okay. Here is second derivative test. Okay. Examples on the second derivative test. आता second derivative test व्यवस्थित पहा. First given function, then find f dash of x, that is differentiate with respect to x. Then to find the stationary points, take f dash of x is equal to 0. Then we get the values of x, that is x1, x2, third asli the x3. Then for third step it is find f double dash, that is double derivative, and then take the all stationary points in double derivative. Then the value of double derivative is positive, then it is a minimum, and value of double derivative it is negative, then it is a maximum. Okay, and then we find maximum value at that point or minimum value at that point. Okay, and some another examples we see in the next lecture.